Let's talk about FishPass. Dams and barriers are important because they prevent spawning sea lampreys from migrating upstream. In this video, we are going to talk more about barriers and their importance to the GLFC and the Sea Lamprey Control Program.
Barriers can be viewed as both positive and negative. They are considered positive landscape features because they can generate power, provide recreational opportunities, block invasive species, and prevent contaminant and disease transfer upstream in aquatic systems. The flip side is that barriers can also reduce ecosystem function by fragmenting habitats, reducing species richness, impairing animal movements, impounding water, increasing temperature, and altering sediment transport. Many native species require connectivity between lakes and tributary habitats to complete their life cycle. Addressing the tension between improving aquatic connectivity for fishery restoration and the need to use dams and barriers to effectively manage invasive species is one of the biggest issues facing the Great Lakes. One major question on the minds of many fishery managers is, can we find a way to connect lakes and tributaries to benefit desired species without risking the introduction of unwanted and potentially detrimental species? This is especially important when talking about sea lamprey, given that a single sea lamprey can kill up to 40 pounds of Great Lakes fish in its lifetime. FishPass is designed to address this question. Taking place in Traverse City, Michigan, FishPass is the capstone of an approximately 20-year Boardman River restoration project. The mission of FishPass is to provide up and downstream passage of desirable fishes. While simultaneously blocking and/or removing undesirable fishes. Of particular concern to the GLFC is the need to prevent sea lamprey from entering the Boardman River from Lake Michigan. First and foremost, FishPass will replace the deteriorating Union Street Dam in downtown Traverse City, Michigan, with an improved barrier. FishPass will also feature a specialized channel to sort different types of fish, as well as a nature-like river channel, both of which will be below the barrier. Once constructed, scientists will use various sorting technologies and techniques in the fish sorting channel to maximize efficiency of passing desirable fishes and removing invasive fishes. The result will be a world-class technology and research center in a park-like setting. So, who has been working on this complex and multifaceted project? To tell you more, I've invited Dan Zielinski, the project's principal engineer, to join us. He has been a part of the FishPass team since its early days, back in 2016. Thanks for joining us, Dan.
Hi, I'm happy to be here today to talk about this exciting project. FishPass is being led by the GLFC's Science Director, Andrew Muir, and myself. We have been working with a team of about 50 experts, including fish passage researchers, fish behavioral ecologists, engineers like myself, hydrologists, and science communicators. This group of experts has participated in 3 workshops between 2016 and 2018 to identify site-specific needs and conceptual designs that allow for bi-directional selective passage based on the ecology of targeted species in the Boardman River. I'd also like to share a little more information on the development of the FishPass system itself. Once optimized for bi-directional selective fish passage, which will be at least a 10-year endeavor, FishPass will be converted to a permanent selective fishway, completing the Boardman River Restoration Project. Lessons learned from the optimization phase will be applied to similar rivers to create selective fish passage at new sites. The project could have regional, national, and global implications.
Thanks for being a part of this video, Dan. One additional detail I'd like to highlight is that community and stakeholder input and engagement has been an extensive and essential part of the FishPass project. Project leaders like Dan have worked closely with city commissioners and staff in Traverse City, and feedback from all community engagement activities has been actively incorporated into design elements of FishPass. Now let's get a glimpse of what FishPass will look like through this neat animated virtual fly-through. While this is not exactly what the final product will be, it gives a great overview of what to expect. FishPass construction will be managed by the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, and the project is possible through funding from the Great Lakes Restoration Initiative.